हाय गाइस। सो अभी मैं कोई फ़नी वीडियो नहीं पोस्ट कर रही हूँ। इट इज़ रिगार्डिंग द न्यूज़ एवरीवन इज़ लुकिंग इनटू कि आज मतलब आज रात 12 बजे से या फिर 26 मई से क्या सारे जो हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं फेसबुक ट्विटर वगैरह सब क्लोज़ हो जाएंगे या हम एक्सेस नहीं कर पाएंगे तो क्या होगा। सो लेट मी टेल यू सम बैकग्राउंड। जो हमारी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड आईटी है, उन्होंने 3 मंथ्स का नोटिस दिया था इन सब प्लेटफॉर्म को to adhere to certain rules and regulation what is there into picture now. But according to them, 3 months is a very less period of time to accommodate these changes, and they want more period, like somewhat about 6 months they are asking for to regulate these changes in their system. बट जो 3 मंथ्स का टाइम है वो आज ख़त्म हो रहा है, सो दैट मीन्स कल से वो नहीं हो पाएंगे. बट एज फार एज आई नो एंड वी नो आर गवर्नमेंट होपफुली कि कैंसिल तो नहीं करेंगे, ये बंद तो नहीं करेंगे एकदम से. मोस्ट प्रोबली दे विल गेट एन सम एक्सटेंशन to adhere to these policies. Okay, so now coming back, what are these policies? So going through certain articles and certain places, I came across 5-6 points which are included in these regulation which they want these Facebook, Twitter to adhere to. Though Facebook has commented that they want to adhere to these policies, but they need time. Twitter has not commented at all. Only one social media platform, that is Koo, KOO, they are now adhere to the policies. So they need time. They'll adhere to the policy, but not yet. So what are these policies? Let's see what are these policies. So first of all, what they are saying is all these media, they need to publish a monthly report on the compliance of whatever complaints they are getting. So like हम लोग कोई भी वीडियो देखते हैं, कोई भी पिक्चर देखते हैं, वी समटाइम पोस्ट कमेंट्स और के वी समटाइम रिपोर्ट दोज थिंग्स that it is not good or you need to take out or something. So they need to prepare a compliance report that need to be submitted to government on a monthly basis, that what actions they are taking on this. But like I'll come back to this later on in some other video, but my question is, do government do this for us? Like हम लोग कितनी कंप्लेन रेज करते हैं, डू गवर्नमेंट कम बैक टू अस with all the solution, everything? I don't want to get into that, but yeah, just this thing came to my mind. Secondly, they want to have some physical contact in India for all these platforms for the grievances resolving and everything. तो इनका physical office चाहते हैं जहाँ पे इनकी पूरी committee बैठी हो, compliance की पूरी team हो, which should be based out of India and looking into these issues. So ये एक और है. तो ये overnight तो बन नहीं जाते हैं. टीम बनाना, मतलब प्रॉपर्टी लेना, लीज आउट करना एंड वहाँ पे ऑफिस करना, वो भी इन एट द टाइम ऑफ दिस लॉकडाउन एंड एवरीथिंग, इट टेक्स टाइम. Okay, then they want that if any post is reported there is nudity or morphed images are there in any of the post, they should take it down just within for 24 hours and वो report होना चाहिए. एक ये है. देन दे आर ऑल्सो सेइंग दैट इफ दे आर टेकिंग डाउन एनी पोस्ट, दे नीड टू टेल द यूजर द रीज़न वाई दे आर टेकिंग आउट दैट कंटेंट. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर कल को मेरी ये वीडियो गायब हो जाती है, तो दे नीड टू टेल मी दैट वाई दे हैव रिमूव दिस कंटेंट फ्रॉम यूट्यूब. Okay, then there is one thing which I feel it's not good for us as a user, is the first originator thing. Now what government is saying is they want the details of first originator if they ask for. So first originator mean, if I am posting this video, I am the first originator of this video. So tomorrow if there is something wrong in my video and government wants the detail, they can definitely go down and get the details, that who posted it, when they posted and everything. So that is something I feel that is not good as a user perspective. Maybe because I think that there is no privacy, there is no freedom of speech, like I can't say anything because they'll track me down and they'll just take a hold on me. So that way I feel I'm not sure that how valid this point is. Okay, now there is one more thing. They are saying that there should be voluntary verification of the users. Say for example, if I want to voluntarily verify myself, so there should be functionality that I can voluntarily verify myself, and there will be some some tick mark or something need to be given on my page that it is a verified account. So that is one more thing which is added. And they're saying that in okay, I think I have covered. Yeah. So like intermediary, as I told, that they want that who has put the content, and they want the information that why the content has been taken down. So these are the few things what they have added, and let's see how and how sportingly these platforms are taking it, because India is the big user of these platforms. Like, go and search for the numbers, it's in millions, like millions, billions of people are using these platforms. And I don't know, like if this platform will go, how we will, like talk to each other, get in touch, because we are all, inside our home. These platforms are really helping us during, I feel, during COVID second wave in India. These platforms really helped people to get what they wanted to. Like, people were looking for oxygen cylinders, ICU beds, etc. So these platforms really, they were really helping out people. So I really feel that, it's a big decision to, just wake up in the morning and not see these on on your phone, on your laptop. So let's hope for the best. It should be there, they should get some extension, and let's see what will happen. And soon I'll post some funny video on this incident as well. Thank you guys, keep on supporting me, subscribe me, and press the bell icon. Thank you.